Hey there, I'm Christian from RackNerd, and if you are looking for a powerful, reliable, virtual private server to run your Windows-based applications or websites, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to order a Windows VPS from us here at RackNerd. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into my screen. Okay, so I'm on my screen here, and first things first, head over to RackNerd.com. Once you're there, navigate to our VPS hosting section. You'll see a variety of options, but don't worry, I'm going to guide you through the process step by step. This will take you over to our Windows VPS hosting page where you can see all the details about our hosting plans and pricing. Take a moment to review the features and decide which plan fits your needs best. Once you've chosen the perfect plan for you, go ahead and click on the Order Now button. This will take you to our order configuration page where you'll need to fill in some basic information to set up your account, such as choosing your billing cycle and other details. We offer flexible billing options to suit your budget and preferences, so feel free to select whatever you prefer best. After that, review your order configurations to make sure everything looks good, and then hit the Continue button. You'll be directed to our review and checkout page to complete your purchase. If you're a new customer, you may need to fill out your valid information or simply log in to your existing account to complete your purchase. We accept a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, credit and debit cards, cryptocurrencies, wire transfers, and more, as you can see right here. Just choose the option that works best for you. Now, once your payment is processed, you'll receive an email with all the details you need to access your new Windows VPS. You may also check it out right inside of your RackNerd account dashboard, as you can see here. Just click on the right email and check the credentials by scrolling through it, and here it is, which is between the green shaded context. Furthermore, our team will be standing by to assist you with any questions or concerns that you may have along the way. And there you have it. Ordering a Windows VPS from us here at RackNerd is quick, easy, and hassle-free. So if you're ready to take your hosting to the next level, head on over to RackNerd.com to learn more and get started today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.